Do you want to learn how to create an affiliate marketing website? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own affiliate marketing business website, step by step. Coming up. This is Swadip here at Dikupages Web, where I do web-related reviews and web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. If you are watching me now, meaning you are interested in learning how to create your own affiliate business website. So in this tutorial, we are going to use WordPress for the mission. And don't worry if you are new to WordPress, because I'm going to hold your hand at every step of the way. This course is divided into lessons. And before we go into any lesson, I will outline whatever we are going to look at in that particular lesson. So, before we dive into this very lesson, I would like to share with you what we are going to be covering. So, in this lesson, you will learn what affiliate marketing is. You will also learn what domain name and web hosting is. And we shall also look at how to get a domain name registered and hosted. Without wasting further time, let's get started. Now, what is an affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a process of earning a commission for marketing someone else's products or services. So simply put, you search for a product you enjoy, then you promote it and earn a commission when people buy through your affiliate link. So that is what affiliate marketing is all about. Now, before you create your affiliate marketing business website, you will need a domain where your website will reside for other people to see it over the internet. So what is a web hosting? Web hosting is an internet service that allows organizations or individuals to make their websites accessible via the World Wide Web. So before people can have access to your website, you will have to register your domain and host it, such that you put your web files there before people can have access to it. Now let's take a look at how we can get a domain name and how we can get it registered. So I will head over to dikupages.com/sc. Enter. So in this tutorial, we are going to use the Speedy Connect web hosting services. We are going to use the unlimited shared web hosting service, which is $1 per month. And also take note that they have a promotion code of which you can use to reduce the price of the hosting by 50%. So let's go to learn more. So these are the various features you will get when you order the unlimited shared web hosting from Speedy Connect. So let's take a look at the general features. They have unlimited SSD web space and unlimited premium bandwidth, unlimited email accounts. So when you register your domain here, you get unlimited free email accounts, unlimited MySQL databases, unlimited FTP accounts, unlimited subdomains. Wow, so here you can create so many subdomains to practice with. Unlimited pack domains. However, here you can only host one domain. They have free SSL certificate. So when you register your website with Speedy Connect, you get free SSL certificate, which will make your website very secure. They also have free website migration, file control panel, 24/7 customer support. So before we order, let's grab the promotion code. So I'll highlight, right click and copy, then go to order now. So here we need to choose our domain name. That is what we are going to use to set up our website. So I will say Take note, this domain name should be unique to you. If a domain name is already registered, you cannot use it again. Then affiliate. So I will leave it as .com. However, you can choose any of this you want. So let's check to see if it is available. Learnaffiliate.com is unavailable, meaning we cannot use it. So let's change a different domain. So I'll say my affiliate class, then I'll check. Congratulations, my affiliate class.com is available. So you can continue to register this domain for $12. Hit continue. Okay. So now we are going to choose the hosting package, which is the $12 annually. You can also go ahead and register it for 2 years or 3 years, but I will just keep the 1 year. Then hit continue. They also have free ID protection service. So I'll just click it so that we'll be able to hide our email accounts and phone numbers. So this is the price for the web hosting service, $12, and the domain registration, $12, making a total of $24. However, remember we have copied a promo code. So we paste it here, right click and paste. Let's validate code. Promotion code accepted. Your order total has been updated. So now look at the total we will pay. So let's check out. So here you need to fill in your details. First name, last name, email address, phone number, then company name, which is optional, your address, so your city, state, postcode, and then country. I'm from Ghana, so I'll leave it as such. Then here you enter your password and confirm, and then choose a security question, answer it. Then here you choose your payment method. Speedy Connect accepts local payment options like MTN mobile money services. You can also pay using Naira MasterCard, Verve, Visa. You can also pay using Perfect Money, which is worldwide, or Bitcoin. So now I already have a domain I'm going to use for this particular tutorial. So I am not going ahead with this particular domain. However, when you fill all these details and accept, you just click on complete order. Depending upon whichever payment method you want to use, then you just enter the details and they will send you your login details after the payment is complete. So this is how we can get our domain registered and start developing our website with. This brings us to the end of our first lesson, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. In this lesson, we shall look at how to install WordPress because that is what we are going to use in this course. Without wasting further time, let's get started. So we are going to install WordPress on the domain we bought in our first lesson. Some web hosting companies will send you login details to the control panel where you can work with your web files and other services. Others will give you instant access as soon as payment is confirmed. Speedy Connect is one of those providers that sends you the login details into your email account after payment is confirmed. So I will head over to my email and grab the login details. So here, this is the control panel URL. So you just need to copy this and open it in a new tab. That is what I've done here. Then I'll copy the password because the username is not difficult to remember. So username, Dikupages, and password, I'll just paste it. then sign in. Okay, so we have logged in. So quickly, I'll go to extra features, then click on software close auto installer. This installer will enable us to install WordPress quickly without creating databases. So from here, we can just click on install to install WordPress, or you can go to blocks, then click on WordPress from there. So I'll just click here. So from this page, I'll just click on install now. So here, this is the current version of WordPress. That is what we are going to use in this course. So with the protocol, I'll select HTTPS because Speedy Connect has given us free SSL certificate, and this is the domain we are going to install on. Next is site name and site description. We are not going to change them now because we shall look at how to change them after we finish installing WordPress. Next is admin username. So this one, I'll remove it and enter my own admin name. So I'll use Sadik. Now with this, you can use any name you want for your username. And then the password, I'll take it off, but hide it. Okay, they say it's strong. Then the admin email. Most of the times when you try to install, they will give you automatic email address, and usually they say admin@yourdomain.com. I don't want to use this, so I'll say sadik@dikupages.com. So from here, everything is clear. The language is English, and then advanced options. You don't need to do anything here. Everything will be created for us. We are not selecting any theme from here. Just click on install. So it is installing now. To use a few minutes or seconds to complete. Okay, congratulations, the software was successfully installed. Now we can click here to go to our website. So this is our website. Boring, isn't it? Don't worry, we shall look at how to make it beautiful by the time we finish this course. Now this is the front end of our website. This is what visitors of our website will see when they log on to the website using this web address. Now we are going to log into WordPress. So I'll show you how we can log in to our website. So after your web address /wp and -admin. So this is the URL we always use to log in into our website. It's the same across all WordPress websites. You only need to bring the / after the .com or .org or .net, whichever domain extension you are using. Then you bring wp-admin. Then you hit enter. So now we are on the login page of our website. So remember the name you used when you were installing, the username. So Sadik, then I'll enter my password. Enter. So now we are at the dashboard of our website, and this is the back end of our website. Each time we want to work on our website, this is where we will come to in order to add pages, posts, and what have you. We have already seen the front end. Now let's look at the pane at the left hand side of our dashboard. So this is the dashboard. That is what we are seeing now. So from here, we can add posts, media, page, and users to our website. Now here, when there are updates on WordPress, this is where you see them. Next is post, where you can add blog posts to your website. Next is media, where you can add pictures, documents, video, and audio files. Next is pages, where we can add static pages to our website. Static pages like about us, services. You can use pages to add that. Next is comments. So here, when users send us comments through our post, this is where we can moderate them. Appearance. With this, you can use it to install new themes and customize them to have a beautiful website. Next is plugins. Plugins will help us to extend the functionality of our WordPress website. Users. Here you can add new users to your websites, and you can give them rules as to what you want them to do. Our tools, you can import or export information into or from your website. You can also check the health of your site using tools. And finally, settings, where we can change the name of our website and also perform some other functionalities. So the next thing I'm going to do is clean up my WordPress website, that is the dashboard. So I'll just collapse here, this, and that. Or if we want, we can go to screen options, then just uncheck them from here. Now our dashboard is clean. Next, I'll head over to post. As soon as you install WordPress, automatically this post will come, hello world. So I'm going to delete it, trash, then I'll go to trash and then empty trash. Next is plugins. I just want to make the website as clean as possible. So we have these two plugins and they are not activated, meaning we are not using them. I'll just check everything, go to bulk actions, delete, then apply. Okay. Now the next thing we are going to look at is to create the site title or change the title of our website. To do that, we just go to settings, then general. So under site title, we just take off my blog and say learn how to create your own website. Take note, this site title can be anything. It can just be like here, I can just put Dikupages, but I want my website to be found on search engines using these keywords. So next is tagline. So I'll say learn how to create dynamic and interactive websites. Okay, the next thing to do is check here to see if the S is part of the HTTPS. It's very important so that our website will be very secured. All right, so in my case, everything is intact. Then I go down. You can also look at the date format and time format. This is okay by me. My week starts on Monday and I save the changes. So now let's look at the home page to see if our site name and tagline has been changed. So I'll just right click here, open in a new tab. So this is our site name and the tagline. Next thing we are going to do is go to permalinks. Now here, my recommendation is that you choose post name instead of day and name. With day and name, the date at which you are creating your post will appear in your URL. With this, search engines don't find your URLs or your pages very fast as compared to post name. After the .com, then they will just bring you the keywords exactly as you have specified them in your post titles. So just hit post, then save the changes. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this lesson. We have successfully installed WordPress. We have seen the front end and also the back end of our WordPress website. We have also looked at how to configure our website and then create a site title. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Before we dive into this lesson, a quick recap of what we are going to look at. We shall look at themes and page builders, which include downloading and installing Cadence theme and Elementor plugin. We shall also look at how to add logo to our website, create pages, and finally configure the Cadence theme. So let's get started. So before we move forward, first of all, there's an update. So let's quickly check it up. So this is it, last speed cache. So I'll just select it here, update plugins. Okay, it is successfully updated. Now let's go down to today's business. So I'll go to appearance, themes, add new. Then let's go and search for themes, Cadence. So this is Cadence theme, install. Now before we activate it, let's look at how our current theme is like. Remember, this is what we saw when we first installed WordPress. So let's go back, activate. The Cadence theme is successfully activated. Now let's refresh our page. So this is how the Cadence theme looks like when you install it, but it's not nice. Don't worry, we'll make it nice in this tutorial. Next, we install Elementor page builder. So plugins, add new, set plugins, Elementor. So this is it. Install now. We also need the essential add-ons for Elementor. So we'll install that one as well so that we get extra features in addition to what we'll get in Elementor. Install now. Activate Elementor website builder. Okay, it is activated. Let's go back to plugins. Essential add-ons for Elementor. Activate. Okay, we are done. Okay, let's check our dashboard. So cleaning up. Don't want this. No thanks. You can just collapse this. Or we go here and check it. Okay, everything is clean. Now let's check our site again. Okay, so this is what we have. The next thing we are going to look at is to add a logo to our website so that we take off this long name. So to do that, we go to customize. So here, before you actually start this, you need to get your logos ready. Header, logo, select files, show all files. Then this is what I'm going to use. Just select it, open. So alternate text, Dikupages. I'll just highlight and copy it, paste it here, that. This is good for search engine optimization. Always make sure to fill these fields. Select, skip cropping. So our logo is here now. So here you can increase the size. You can also decrease it. So I will say 330. Okay, 300. Now logo layout. So currently it is using logo and title, so I need only logo. So as you are working here, everything is showing. Next thing is site icon. The site icon, select, go to upload files, select files, show all files. I will use this, then open. So Dikupages and select. Okay, so this will always show here, such that when you have plenty tabs opened, so that you know which tab you can find your website. Then publish. Now the next thing we are going to do is create pages so that they will appear here. So go back, then let's go to menus. So we don't have any menu here, so we are going to create new menu, and the menu name, I'll say main menu. You can put anything here because nobody is going to see this. It's only you, the web designer, that can see this. So I'll make it primary. Then next. Okay, so let's add our pages. So add item. So I'll say home, add, about. Take note, what you want to have here will depend upon the kind of site you want to build or what you want to show at the main menu. However, you can just follow my lead. So tutorials, add, have contacts, so that people can contact me through the website. I also want to make blog posts, so blog. Then lastly, I'll do reviews. Okay, now let's reorder them. Home, about, blog will come here, then reviews. Okay, blog would come here. Okay, so this is the order I want. I will publish. Next, let's set our home page. So go back, then home page settings. So we are not going to show latest posts. We'll make it a static page. So select static, then home page, we select home, and then post page will be blog, then publish. So when we make posts, it will go under the blog page. Now let's get rid of this nothing found from the home page. So let's go back, page layout. So let's click on show page title, then publish. Okay, let's close. Okay, everything is clear now. This is our home page. Now let's make our page full width. So to do that, we go to customize, page layout, full width. Okay, content style, unboxed. Let's go and change the copyright section. So let's go back, footer, Now go to settings icon under copyright. Now we are going to change the name we are seeing here. Instead of learn how to create your own website. Remember, that is the title of our website, but I don't want it to appear here. So I'll just say, so I'll come here, site title, highlight it, then say Dikupages. Then theme credits by Cadence. I don't want this. I'll remove it. Then I'll bring a pipe here. Okay, everything is cool now. I like it. Now let's change the color of the copyright section. Now when you hover on the copyright section, you see bottom row. Just click on the settings command there, then go to design, bottom row background color. Click here. Now I have a color I want to use, so I'll just go and grab that color, Dikupages colors, primary color, copy it and paste it here. Alright, but I want to make it a little bit darker. Okay, but we cannot see the text. Design again. Okay, let's go to widget content. Then I make it white. Alright, publish, then close. Now our font size on the main menu seems to be small. Let's increase it a bit. So customize, header. Now we go to primary navigation, design, navigation fonts. Let's go to inherit, size, font size. So we can increase it here. Okay, I like this. Okay, from here you can make it caps if you want. And I'll reduce it small, or make it 18. I like this. Then publish, close. So now this is how we customize our Cadence theme after installing it. And this brings us to the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoy this lesson and see you in the next lesson. Hello. In this lesson, we are going to use Elementor to build our home page. And to do that, we'll be covering how to add sections into our website. We'll also look at how to add header section, add call to action. We'll also add counter, and then finally optimize our home page for other devices like mobile and tablets. Every single web page has sections. So here, this is the header section and the main page section, and then the footer section. So let's look at how we can add sections to our home page to make it beautiful. Let's get started. So to do that, make sure you are on the home page of your website. So you click on home, then click on edit page. Edit with Elementor. Okay, so we are in Elementor now. So this is where we can add our sections, and these are the various elements we have in Elementor. So we can use all this, and these are the extra essential add-ons we installed earlier. So all this we can use them. So let's demonstrate. Click on add section. So here you can use any of these sections structures we have. So choosing any of this will depend upon how you want your header section to look like. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use the single column section. So after clicking, this is how it will come. Now let's increase the height of our section. So I'll go here, edit section, then go to layout, then under height, I'll choose minimum height and then make it 350. Okay, I can just make it 400. Let's go to style and change the background style. So background type, I'll choose gradient, then click here, color. Okay, I have my own colors I want to use, so I'll just grab it from here, copy, then paste. Okay, so it's coming in a gradient form. So second color, I'll do the same thing, paste. so that it will be the same throughout. Update. So all what we have done, if you don't click on update and you exit this page, meaning you have not done anything. So here, if I want to use certain colors on my website, I can just set everything so that I don't always have to copy and paste my colors. So I'll go to settings, global colors. Then my primary color, I'm going to make it this color. Here you can add your own colors and give it titles and also select them. I'm not going to do that. I'll just click on update. Close. So let's go to edit section, style. So you can always pick your color from here. We are going to add header text to our header section. So let's go back here. Then this is heading. We grab it, then just drop it on the blue area. Make sure you see the blue area before you drop. Okay, so now the text is here, but we cannot see it. So let's go to style and change the color. Text color, I'll make it white. Okay, let's go back to content and edit this text. So you can just select it here and say want to make websites. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. Then I center it. Okay, let's increase the size of our text here. So I'll go to style, typography. I'll go to transform. I'll make it uppercase, and then the size, I want 50. You can also change the weight, 500. Now I'll go back to elements again. I want to add another text here, and I want to make websites. So I'll grab the heading. Always make sure you see this blue line. So I'll drop it. My text cannot still show, so I'll go to style, text color. Then I'll make it white. Go back to content and edit it. Okay, learn how to website. So I'll center it, and this one I'll leave it as size, small letters. Next, I'm going to add call to action. So I'll go to elements. Okay, button is here. I'll just grab it and drop it under learn how to create. The text here, I'll change it to, so if you want to edit it, just click on the pencil icon here, content, then you go to text. I'll say start here. So if you want to learn how to make website, then you start here. I'll center it. I want to change the background color, so I'll go to style, background color, click. I'll change it to white. Then the text color, I'll change it to our primary color. Now I want to increase the size of the text. So I'll go to typography and size. Okay, I'll make it 20. I like it this way. Let's update. Now let's go to advanced positioning. The width, I want to make it inline auto. Now I want to create another button to link it to our blog page. So I'll right click on this button, duplicate, then the text, I'll change it to blog, and the link, I'll just type blog to appear, then I'll click. As simple as that. I want to turn on editing handles, which we can always use to duplicate our buttons or any of the text sections. So to do that, go here, user preferences, editing handles, just turn it on. So when you hover here now, you see this, and you can use it to duplicate. As simple as that. You can also remove it by clicking on the close button to delete them. So I want to center the buttons, so I'll go to edit column, then layout, and the horizontal align, choose center. Now let's change the hover styles. So I'll go to edit start here button, style, hover, then background color for hover. Okay, I like this, but when you hover, I want the text to be white. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Now go to hover animation. Now choose grow. So if I hover on it, it should grow. Now I'll copy the style. Copy. Right click here. Paste style. So all what I've done here will not affect this. You can just copy it and paste on this. Now let's create spacing in between the two buttons. So I'll go to advanced margin. I'll uncheck this. Right. I'll make it 10. 10 is okay. Or maybe 15. And update. Remember, we have not created the link for start here text. I want to link it to my tutorials page. So I'll go to the pencil icon, click on it, content, then link. Then I'll say tutorials is here, click, then update. Now let's preview our home page to see how it looks like. So this is how it will look like. Now let's decrease the space in between. We want to make websites and then learn how to create the space here. So I'll go back to Elementor. So I'll click on the pencil icon here. Then I go to advanced. Under margin, I uncheck this. Then bottom, I make it, okay, let me make it -20. Update. Now as you are updating, your page is refreshing. So let's see it. So this is what I want. Now the next thing we are going to do is add a counter here so that it will tell us how much of content we have on our website. So if you are promoting some particular affiliate products, you can just get the counters here to indicate the number of products or services you are promoting. So counter will give your visitors an idea of how much of stuff you have on your website. So this can be the amount of products or services you are promoting, or the amount of blog posts, tutorials you have on your website. So let's go back to Elementor, go to Elements and search for counter. Just click here, counter. We'll use this, so just grab it and drop it here. So under contents, the starting number should be 0 and the ending number, so this will be the amount of posts or whatever you have on your site. So here I'll say 31. So whatever content you have here, if it's in, let's say, thousands, you can just put K here and it will be 31K, or M to be 31 million. Instead of writing the entire 31 million here, it will be too much. So 31. But in my case, I don't have it in millions, so I'll remove it. Then title, that is what we are seeing here. I'll remove it and say videos. So I have 31 videos. Actually, I'll make it 33. Okay, so I have this much of videos. So I want to duplicate this. So just go here, point on edit column, then click on duplicate column. So I have videos, tutorials, reviews, plugins, and then themes. So I'll edit this to reviews, title, reviews. Then the next one, okay, I like it. Now if you look at the margin here and here, they are not the same. Let's change it by increasing here. Go back to Elementor, edit section, advanced, margin, and check here, top. I will make it, let me make it 20. Updates. So let's check it. Okay, 20 is too much. I'll go back, make it 15. Update. Okay, this is good. If you want, you can change the color here. Just go to edit, style, then change the color from here. But I don't want to change the color. I like the primary color. And you can change the size. Go to typography, size. I want it to be 45. So from here, you can just copy this style and paste it here so that the size will be the same. Paste style, right click, paste style, right click, paste style. Update. Now the next thing we are going to do is optimize our home page for mobile devices. Now I think this looks great, but let me just show you how to do that. Go to Elementor. So this is desktop. Go to responsive mode, mobile. So this is how it will look like. Select this, then go to typography. I want to make it in 2 lines. Okay, 44 is okay. And then here, I want to make that one to 2 lines. So select pencil, go to style, typography. Okay, this is good. Updates. This looks good. Now let's check it on tablet. Alright, tablet is okay for me, but if you want to change it, you can go here. First of all, go to icon, click, then you can change the size from here. Okay, that's good. If you want to change here too, typography, then you can change it from here. Okay, I think this one, 2 lines, is not bad. No, okay, this is okay. Updates. Now let's preview. So this is how our home page looks like. And this brings us to the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoy this lesson and see you in the next lesson. In this lesson, we are going to work with posts. So we shall look at how to create a post. We shall also look at how to add categories, adding sidebars to post page, and also add text to user profile. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So to create a post, point on new, then click on post. Or you can go to the back end of your website, post, add new. So add title, I'll enter the title of my post. So Kingdom WooCommerce Amazon Affiliate Team Review 2021. Okay, here I enter the content of my post. I've already typed the post in Microsoft Word, so I'll just copy them and paste. And I suggest you also do same if you are going to work with posts. So I'll just grab the first paragraph, copy, paste. So after typing your text in the body of your post, let's publish. Publish. So our post is being published. Let's view it. So this is how the post will look like after publishing it. Now let's add some images to our post. So I'll go to edit, post. I want to have a picture here. So I click on this plus sign, add block, then image, upload. I go to the location of my image. Let me view it in large icons. So this is the image I want to use. Open. Okay, so our image has been inserted. So this is an image related to the product I'm going to promote. So I'm going to create a link to this image so that when visitors of my website click on it, it will take them to the product I am promoting. So I have my affiliate link to the product here. I will just copy everything. Right click, copy. Go back. Now select the image, insert link, paste it, then enter. Drop down the arrow here, open in a new tab. So let's update. Let's view our page. So this is how it will appear. So when visitors click on this link, it will take them to the Kingdom WooCommerce team I am promoting. Okay, so I close this. Now let's add a video to our blog post. So I'll go to YouTube and I just copy the link. Let's go back to our post. I want to add the video after the image. So hit enter. A blog has been created here. Let's give it a title. Enter. Click on the plus to add blog. Then search for video, YouTube, and paste the link. Embed. Okay, so update. So let's refresh our page to see how the video will display. Okay, so this is how it will look like. Now I also want to create text links in my post. So let's go back. I want to create a link to the name of the products. So I'll just highlight it, go and copy my affiliate link, come back, link, paste, apply. Let's make it open in a new tab. Click here, open in a new tab. Update. Let's refresh. So a link has been created here. Creating links in your blog post is very good for search engines. So create as many as you can. Now let's also create headers in our blog post. Headers are also good for search engine optimization. So I'll go back to edit post. I'll just click here, change blog type, heading. That's changed. I'll do the same thing here. Okay, now it's time to view our post on the blog page. So let's go here, blog. Now I want to have a featured image here such that before people can actually read the text, they can see the image. Let's go back to edit page. Click on posts. Then set featured image. Upload files. Select files. Show all files. Large icons. I want to use this. Open. Here, always try to enter the alternative text. It's very important for search engine optimization. So I'll just select the whole of this, copy, paste, paste, paste. Always make sure you fill all these fields. Set featured image. Update. Now let's view our post. So this is how it will look like. So let's go to the blog page and refresh. Okay, I like this. Now the next thing we are going to look at is add categories to our blog post. If you look at here, you see that it is uncategorized. So we want to add categories so that we have posts that are related to tutorials and reviews. Remember, all this will depend upon the pages you have on your website and the kind of product or service you want to promote. However, for learning sake, you can just follow my lead. So I'll go to the post, edit post. Now at the right hand side pane, scroll down to categories and then add new category. Enter your category here. So reviews, add new category, tutorial, add. So all these are checked. Let's update and see how it will appear on our blog post. View post. So this is how it will appear. Reviews, tutorials, and categorize, because we have selected all this. Let's edit to remove what we don't want. Edit post. Go down to categories and check this and check this, then update. Now the next thing we are going to look at is add sidebars to our post page. Take note, adding sidebars to your website will depend upon how you want your website to look and feel. So to do that, make sure you are on the page you need the sidebar. So I am on the post page. Go to customize, blog posts, single post layout. So here you can play with the features we have here. Show post title, you can take it off so that the title will go off, but I don't think anybody will want to hide that, so I'll bring it back. Post title layout, let's see this. So with this, it will take the title on top of the featured image. Take it back. Now we want to add sidebar, so we go to default post layout. So you can take left sidebar so that the sidebar will appear at the left side of your post. I'll prefer right sidebar so that it will appear here. So we have added a sidebar to our post. Let's publish. So down here, the last thing I want to do is show the author box so that it will display the author's information. So I'll go down here, show post author box. So it will appear here, then publish. Now let's edit the author bio. We can also bring the full name of the author here if you want. So go to edit profile. Before we edit the profile, let's enter first name, last name, then the nickname. So display name publicly as, so I want to use this. Now I'll enter the bio info. So this is what I want to put. Then I update profile. Let's take note here. If you want your profile picture to appear here, then you need to create a profile account on Gravatar. So just right click, open in a new tab. So here you can create an account. Whatever picture you put there will now appear here. But remember to use the email address you have used in your WordPress website. Otherwise, the picture will not come. So now let's go to our post blog. Then click on the post. So this is how the author bio will appear. Now we want to add more posts to our blog page. So I will leave this to you as our first exercise. So I need you to add 11 posts to the existing post we have to make a total of 12 posts. Take note, there's no right or wrong post. Just get some content and one paragraph each will do. Because in our next lesson, we will need some substantial amount of blog posts to work with. So this brings us to the end of our lesson. In our next lesson, we shall look at how we can bring our blog post to the front page of our website. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Hello, welcome to our next lesson in the how to create an affiliate marketing business website. In our previous lesson, we looked at how to create blog posts, and I gave you an assignment to add more blog posts to our existing post, and I hope you have done that. Let's go and check my own blog posts. Okay, so these are the various blog posts I was able to get. Now in this lesson, we are going to look at how to add dynamic content to the front page of our website, such that we have some content displaying here like blog posts each time we add a new post. Take note, here you can add blog posts, tutorials, or whatever content you have on your website. Like I have here, I have tutorials, review, and blog. So any of this content, I can decide to bring them here. However, I just want to display all the posts we'll be making on this website. So if you are on the home page, click on Edit with Elementor. So now we are in edit with Elementor now. Let's go to elements, then search for post. And we are going to use post grid. That is one of the features we had when we installed Elementor add-ons. I hope you remember we did this. So just click on it and drag it to this section. Make sure you see the blue broken lines. Then you drop it. Wow, awesome. So this is how it will appear. Now let's configure it to our liking. Now source should be posts. You can also decide to put pages there, but I want to display blog posts. So here you can sort by author. So if you have plenty authors, you can choose which author's content you want to display here. I am the only one, so I don't do anything. You can also decide to use categories. You can decide that you want only business posts, reviews, or tutorial posts to appear. But I want all posts to appear, so I won't choose anything under category. You can also do the same thing to tags. Then let's come to post per page. I want to put 6. Okay, but I don't like this number of columns. So let's go to layout settings. Column, I'll make it 3. Now under layout, drop the arrow down, then choose grid. And everything will be perfect now. Okay, this is how I want it to appear. Now image size, let's make it large. I want it to appear nicely. Now read more. I want to take it off because people can easily click on the link, the text, or the image to go to the post. So I'll go to show read more button. Off it. I don't want to display the author's image, so I will put off show avatar. Even the author's name and perhaps date, I don't need them. Put this off. Then also put this off. Alright, I like this. Now let's go to style. Now I want to create some spacing between the teasers we have here. Alright, so I'll go to spacing between items. Then as I'm clicking, I'm looking at it. Okay, I think 20 is okay by me. I want to change the hover color here. So I'll go to color, typography, and spacing. Title hover color should rather be the primary color. So when they hover on it, they should see the primary color. Now hover grid styles. When people hover on the post, this is how it will look like. I want to change it, so I'll go to hover card style. So background color, I'll choose primary. Okay, let's make it transparent. Alright, this is cool. Let me reduce it further. Okay, I like this. Now let's update. Preview. So this is how to appear on the home page. Now if you look at the background color of the blog post, there's no differentiation between the counter section. So let's bring some color to make a distinction here. Let's go back to Elementor. So edit, blog section, style, background type, select classic. Now color, I will make it gray. Okay, now there's some distinction. Update. As we are updating, it is loading the preview. So let's check it out. Okay, this is how it will appear. So this is how we can populate our home page with blog posts. The next thing we are going to do is to fill the other pages with their various posts. When you go to tutorials, there should be some posts, and under reviews, there should be some posts. To do this, you have to make sure that the 10 posts you have on your website should be distributed among these 2 categories. That is if you are following my lead. So to do this, we have to go to the home page of our website, then edit with Elementor. Now right click on the edit section of the blog post, then click on copy. Let's go to tutorials. So I'll right click, open in a new tab. Edit page. Click on edit with Elementor. Now right click here and click on paste. So take note, all your posts will appear here just as we've edited them on there. Now just click anywhere in this section. So I'll click here to bring us to the edit post grid. Then source, it should be post, and then categories, we choose tutorials. So only posts related to tutorials will appear. Then update. So here we don't need to do any other customization because it has already picked what we edited here. Okay, now if you go to reviews page, there's nothing there. I want you to do the same thing as we did to tutorials page, so that we get posts related to reviews. And I will leave this to you as an assignment. And this brings us to the end of this lesson. In our next lesson, we shall look at how to work with contact page so that visitors of our website can get in touch with us through the contact page. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Hello. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to add contact details to our contact page such that visitors of our website can get in touch with us through the contact page. Currently, if you look at the contact page, it's empty. So we are going to add contact details and also add a contact form such that visitors can use any of these to get in touch with us. Let's get started. So make sure you are on the contact page by clicking on it. Then you go to edit page. Edit with Elementor. Now add a new section. I want to add 2 columns such that we have the contact details at one side and have the contact form at the other side. So I'll choose this. So I'll go back to elements. Let's drag the heading element here. Now I'll change the text from here. You can also change it from here by triple clicking. So feel free to get in touch with us. Now go back to elements again. I'll grab the text editor, drop it here. Then I'll remove the whole of this. Phone. Then I'll make the titles bold. Okay, so this is what we want. Then I update. Let's preview. So this is how it will appear. So the next thing is get the contact form at this side of the page. To do that, let's go to the dashboard. That is the back end of our website. Here we are going to use a plugin to get the contact form. So I'll go to plugins, add new, and search plugins. Contact form 7. So we are going to use a plugin called contact form 7. It's here. Install now. Activate. So after it is successfully installed, you will see contact at the left hand side of our dashboard. Click on it. So contact form 1 is here. So you just grab this link, right click, copy. Then let's go back to our website, contact, edit with Elementor. Okay, now let's grab text editor, drop it here, then remove the whole of this text, then right click, click on paste to paste the contact form code we copied. Update. Now let's preview. Okay, so this is how our contact page will appear. So visitors can just fill in their name, email, subject, and then message, then send. So this is how we work with the contact page. And this brings us to the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Hello. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to work with widgets. Widgets normally appear at the sidebar or footer sections of our web page. Now let's go to a post page. So these are widgets. We have the search, recent posts, and recent comments. But currently we don't have any footer widgets. We shall look at how to add that in this lesson. Now let's play with widgets a bit. Go to the website title, then widgets, or you can go to the dashboard, appearance, widgets. So these are the current widgets we have. So you can alternate their positions if you want. Okay, now I want to delete recent comments. I don't need them on my widget, so delete. Now the next thing I'm going to do is add a widget here that will display one of the products I'm promoting. So I'll go back to widgets, then I'll go to image. I want it to appear under recent post. So add image, this image, then add to widget. Now I'll insert the link to this very product. I have it here, so I'll just right click, copy, go back, right click, paste, then save widget. Done. Let's refresh our page. Okay, so this is how it will appear. Now the next thing we are going to look at is to add widgets to our footer area. So to do that, let's go to customize, footer. Now these are the various locations you can put your footer. I'm going to use the middle row. So I'll click on the settings command here. So you can use standard, full width, or contained. So I want to make it standard. Now number of columns, you can choose one column. See how it is. 2 columns, 4 or 5. But I want to use 3 columns. And then under layout, you can distribute them evenly, or you can make the left side to be bigger than the rest of the 2 columns. This or this, but let's leave it as this. Now let's go to design, then go to middle row background, color. I want to use our primary color, so I'll choose this. Maybe I'll make it darker. Okay, then publish. Now let's come back to the middle row, then click on the plus here. We are going to add the first widget to this, widget 1. Click, widget 2, and then the third one, widget 3. Publish. Now close this. Now if we go to our widget, we won't see anything except the widget background color. So let's go to widgets and add the various widgets we want to appear here. So I'll go to the site title, click on widgets. So the first widget I'm going to add is text. I'll take it to footer 1, drop it. Then here I'll insert an image, that is our logo. Add media, I have one here, and insert into post. I'll take this off. Then here you can write about your website or the business that you do on this. Commission. Okay, so this is just a disclaimer. So click on save, then done. All right. Next, I'm going to add a navigational menu. Navigational menu, I'll take it to footer 2. Then select, I'll make main menu, the navigational menu, and then title. You can say company, or I'll say important links. Save, then click on done. In the final widget, I want to grab recent posts. So take it to footer 3. Title, recent post. And number of posts, I want to leave it as 5. And you can display the post date. Let's see how it will look like. Then hit save and click on done. Now let's head back to our website and see how the widgets will be displayed. Okay, so this is how it will look like, but the color doesn't appear well. So let's change the text color. I'll go to customize, footer. Okay, so under middle row settings, click, then go to design, widget titles, click color. So I'll make it white. I can just select it from here. Then widget content, I'll select white from here. However, the middle row background color, I want to make it more darker. So I'll grab it here. Okay, publish. Close. Let's check it down. So this is how it will now look like. And maybe we can also change the link colors. Let's go back to customize, footer, design. Okay, let's go to middle row settings, link colors. I'll choose this. I don't want it to be complete white. Then publish. I close here. Let's check it. So this is how it will appear. So this is how we add widgets to our website. And this brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Hello. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to optimize our website for search engines. And in this course, we are going to use the Rank Math search engine optimization plugin, which is free. So to get started, let's install Rank Math search engine plugin. Let's go to the back end of our website and go to plugins, add new, search plugins, Rank Math. This is Rank Math. It is having over 700,000 active installations. Install now. Activate. So let's connect to create account with Rank Math. I'm a new member, so I'll go to register now. You can use Facebook, Google, WordPress, or email. So I want to use Google. You can also decide to use email. So Google. Okay, accept terms, Google. So here I'll need to sign in. Thanks for trying Rank Math. We have sent your login details to your email address. So let me check my email. Okay. Then login. Okay, so here you don't need to do anything. Just go back to the back end of your website. Go to dashboard. Then Rank Math. Click on it. Then click connect your account again. Then click OK to bring us back to the setup wizard. So here we are not going to do anything. Let's just return to dashboard. Now the next thing we are going to do is turn on local SEO and knowledge graph. So let me search for it. It's here. So just turn it on. And that is it. Now that we have successfully installed our Rank Math plugin, let's look at how we can optimize one of our blog posts. So I'll go to the front end of my website. I'll close this to make everything clean. So let's optimize this. Open it, then you go to edit. Okay, now let's check here. That is the rank map search engine tool. It's 22%, meaning our ranking is not good. We should get green here. So let's start from here. Now add focus keyword to the SEO title. So this is the SEO title. Now click there. Kingdom WooCommerce Amazon affiliates team. Okay. Wow. Just immediately after typing in Kingdom WooCommerce Amazon affiliate team, look at our performance now. 83%. Okay, content is 1086 words long. Good job. Okay. However, we still have some additional errors. Let's go there. Here, add an image with your focus keyword as alt text. Remember, I was talking about alternate text in our previous lessons, so they are very important. Meaning, when I was inserting any of these pictures, I didn't add alternate text. So you can still fix that. URL is 78 characters long. Consider shortening it. Okay. So let me go back to settings, post, then URL slag. Let me see what I will remove. Okay, I will just remove 2020. Okay, and updates. Wow, we have moved from 83 to 87. That's great. Okay, now 2 errors. We couldn't find any internal links to your content. So here, always try to link any of your text to your content. I mean, in your own website. It's very good for search engine optimization. So let me check to see what can I link. I really don't have anything to link with any of my content. Meaning I'll have to write a post that will enable me to link from here to that particular post. So here you can just put any sort of a question to trigger readers' curiosity. So I'll say, let me try something, colon. So let me say, does it worth the price? Let's check it. Okay, everything is good now. So we just need to work on this focus keyword as alt text and then internal links, and perhaps we'll get 100%. So let's update. Okay, this is good. So this is how we optimize our post for search engine optimization like Google, Bing, etc. And this brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Hello, in this lesson, we are going to add a social sharing feature to our post page such that we can be able to share our post onto social media networks. Even visitors of our website can also use the feature to share our posts. And in this course, we are going to use the Sassy Social Share plugin. Let's get started. So let's go to the back end of our website, then plugins, add new, search plugins, Sassy Social Share. So this is it. WordPress social sharing plugin, Sassy Social Share. Install now. Activate. Okay, plugin successfully installed. Let's locate it here. Click. Go to standard interface. Now let's go down to select sharing services. Here, so you need to select the platforms you want your post to be shared to. Okay. Don't need this. Then go down, save changes. Let's go to theme selection. Then under shape, what type of shape do you want to use? Do you want to use a round, square, or rectangle? Okay, I like the rectangle. You can also change the width and then the height. But I like this one. I'll go down, save changes. Floating interface, and check enable floating sharing interface because we don't want it to float. Then go down, save changes. So we are done with configuring our Sassy social share. Let's go to our post page. Okay, you see that we have the sharing on our home page, meaning we may have it on any of our pages, but we don't want it that way. We only want it to be on our blog post, like here. So let's look at how we can configure that. So to fix that, we go to standard interface, go down to placement. Where do you want to show the share buttons? So you only want to show it on post pages. So that's it. Then we click on save changes. Now let's head back to our website. Let's go to home page. It's still there. Let's clear the cache by going here, then purge all. Okay, everything is gone. Now the social share feature will now be found on our post. But when you look at it, you see a title. We don't need this title. And also, we want the share feature to also appear at the end of our blog post. So let's look at how we can fix that. Let's go back to Sassy. So under standard interface, title, take it off, then go down, position with respect to content. So it will show on top of the content. Let's also choose bottom of the content, and then alignment, I want center, and go down, save changes. Now let's refresh our page. Okay, the title is gone and it is centered. Let's go down and we can find it here too. So people can click on this to share our post on social media now. Okay, I've not logged in, so we are not doing that. So that is it on how to add social share feature onto our website. And this brings us to the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Hello. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to create affiliate links because that is what our business is centered on. Some affiliate links does not look appealing, especially when you are going to share them on social media. It's okay to use them on your blog posts or other contents because they are going to be linked to text or images. But YouTube, for example, will not give you that opportunity to link your text to your affiliate product. You just have to paste them directly onto the YouTube description. So in this lesson, we are going to look at how to make our affiliate links better. To do that, we are going to install a plugin called Redirection. So let's go to the dashboard of our website, Plugins, New. Now search for plugins, Redirection. The plugin has over 1 million active installations. Install now, activate. So the plugin is successfully installed. Let's set it up by going to Tools, then Redirection. Start setup, continue setup, finish. Now the setup is done, finished. So we can go back to redirection again, add new. Under source URL, we enter the link we want people to click on such that it will take them to our affiliate product. So I want to create a link to this product I've highlighted here. And I want my affiliate link to look like this, the one people can click on, such that it will take them to this link. So to do this, we go back to redirection page, bring / then kingdom. We are not going to put the entire https://dikupages.com/kingdom. We are only bringing / and kingdom because the system will take care of the domain name here. So we only put / kingdom. Okay, then we come to target URL. Where do you want people to go when they click on this link? So we now go and copy our affiliate link. Copy, then come back here, right click and paste. Then click on add redirect. So it has been added. So anytime this link is clicked on, it will go to this address. Let me demonstrate. I'll open a new tab. Dikupages.com/kingdom. Enter. So it will go to the products page I am promoting. You see that? Hola. So that is how we create affiliate links. However, always make sure that the / and whatever text you are going to put here shouldn't be taken in your website, meaning there shouldn't be any page utilizing that particular link. So this is how we create affiliate links using our domain URL. This brings us to the end of this lesson. And in our next lesson, that is the concluding part, we shall look at where to get products to promote when we are going to do affiliate marketing business. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson. Hello and welcome to our next lesson in the how to create an affiliate marketing website. At this juncture, I would like to say that we are done with all what we need to do as far as creating an affiliate marketing website, and this particular course is concerned. The question now is, where do we get products and services to promote on our website? Perhaps before you start this course, you already knew the kind of products and services you want to promote. However, if you don't have anything in mind, don't panic. I'll give you a heads up. You can easily go to Google, then search affiliate marketing websites, and Google will provide you with so many results. So just keep the ask area, even though you can look at them, but come down to this particular one. See this. Top 16 affiliate marketing websites and programs for 2021. So you can actually go through them, read their pros and cons, and find out which one will be best for you. I'm not going to do any recommendation here, but if I'm pressed to choose only one affiliate program, I'll go in for Amazon Associates program. But then the ball is in your court. You can choose whatever product or service you want to promote. And there are a whole lot of affiliate programs. Look at this one, 105 best affiliate programs of 2021. High paying for beginners. So all this, you can try them. However, some of the platforms that offer affiliate services are not in all countries. So if you are looking through, you should take that in mind. Okay, this brings us to the end of our course in the how to create an affiliate business marketing website. I hope you found value in the course. If you are watching me now, two things are certain. One is either you want to learn how to develop websites, or two, you want to have your own website by developing it yourself. It is my fervent hope that this course would be of help to you, and I will encourage you to keep on practicing, because if you learn today and you don't put it into practice, you can easily forget all what you've learned. This course happens to be my first course I've put together like this, and this is just the beginning. You will see more courses similar to this that will help you in your quest to learning how to develop websites. So I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel or follow me, so that each time I submit a course like this, you will be the first to know. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success in your web development journey. Bye.